Hello everyone, welcome to this part of the question where we are given that Jimmy is a salesman whose monthly salary is made up of $1,200 as a basic component plus 5% commission on what? On the total sales he's made. And so for part A, I would then need to find the 5% commission for January. Commission for January would then be equals to 5%, 5 over 100 times the sales he has made in January, which is $45,000. This will give me a value of $2,000, $250, and with that, I will then be able to calculate his January salary. Because that will include 1,200 as a basic component plus the commission. 3,750. As for part B, part 1, in February, his monthly salary dropped by 10% compared to the previous month, which is January. So for B part 1, right? In order to calculate his total sales for February, I must first find the monthly salary, then from there I work towards this end, okay? So since it dropped by 10%, it simply means that the monthly salary for February will be equals to 90%. Why 90? Drop by 10% means minus 10%. Okay, and this is of the previous month salary. This will give me a value of 3,375, and out of which 1,200 is the basic component. So the commission for February then will be the following. So at this stage, right, going back to the question, we have a 5% of the total sales as the commission. So this means that this is 5%. So in the next step, working right, you will see Mr. Tan representing 5% to 2,175, and I would then want to find my total sales, which will be 100%. So I will get 1% first, alright? So it will be 2,175 divided by 5. This will give me a value of $435, and therefore 100% would be this, and this will be my total sales for February. B part 1 is done. Let's move on to B part 2. Hence, calculate the percentage decrease in the sales as compared to the previous month. And at this point, I'm going to just create more space here. B part 2, where we would need to find the percentage decrease. would then be, previously I have 45,000 in sales in January, and in February I now have 43,000. So that will represent the decrease over the original times 100%. And this will give me a value of 3.3333, 5 significant figures, followed by 3 sig fig answer. And that will be the percentage decrease for this question. Thank you for watching this part of the video. And let's move on to the next question.